Hello John, welcome back. And today in this tutorial we are going to be looking at what are the section tag and why should you use them. In my previous video when I talk about the article tag, and I mentioned generally that all these tags, including the section tag, the article tag and the div tag, all serve as a container tag. Well, what does that mean? Container tags contain all other different elements. So it's help in grouping them. Think about it as a box. So when you put in other elements inside them, you can easily identify them that this box contains this, and you can easily style them. Same as the section tag. This section tag is used in separating your code into different sections, which you can also do by using the div tag. But I won't lie to you, using the section tag is the new oil. Let me say the new trend. A lot of developers now divide their code using the section tag rather than just using the div tag, because as always before, using too much of div tag can get really confusing. So with that said, let's dive in and see how the section tag look. So I'm going to open a new folder from here. If I open a new folder, I'm going to be giving it a section tag. I name my folder section tag. Then I definitely want to open this folder up inside my code editor. And all right, so after opening a new file and then opening the after opening the folder and then opening it inside my code editor, the next thing I'm going to do is to, let me see, create a new file and name it index.html, because of course we are writing HTML code. So after this, I bring out the normal HTML template and let me see, document structure, and I will like to change this title to section tag and HTML. So let's see now, after we have created this and I have bunch of code to write and I don't want to mix them up. Maybe I want to give each section different styling. Maybe the first section is going to be having like a green color background, and then the second section is going to be having, let me say, pure white, then and that. So I will definitely like to use the section tag to separate them. So this section tag can have h1, and then maybe I can just say this section 1, and then I can say p lorem 5, maybe probably add an image, and then I can just copy this as much as I want, and then you see now we can have a lot of section as we want, and we can give it different styling the way it suits what we want to do. So actually this is how to use section tag, and if you like this video, kindly subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye bye.